Hello, this is Janet Taylor, better known as Organizer Janet, here to give you a quick organizing tip hack using a pool noodle for all of you ladies out there who are getting ready to pull out those stylish fall boots. So this is what normally happens to your boots. There's no support, so they fall down or sometimes they even fall over. But I'm going to share with you how some simple pool noodles will help you keep your boots standing tall. As you can see, the pool noodles are helping the boots stand up straight. No more falling over. You can probably get these pool noodles on sale for as little as 25 cents. And I was able to use 2 pool noodles for 3 pair of boots. I hope you have found that organizing tip hack helpful. So for more resources on how you can organize your life, please be sure to visit my website at janetmtaylor.com. Until next time, have a clutter-free day.